What's happening, guys? Out here in Troy, Michigan on a patio pool deck that we just completed for a really great client. They were able to choose the large format. They really liked the Allure color, which is new from County Materials this year. They did the 8x16 border. And then they were able to switch it up on the walkway. They used the 4x8 in the Allure as opposed to the Grand Discover. And then obviously over by the fire pit area, you're gonna also see 45 herringbone in the Allure as well. This is an all county project. We've been really promoting county and doing a lot of work with them. What you see here was all concrete, and the concrete was all starting to dilapidate. They had some drainage issues here as well. When you have this small of a space, and we've talked about this in prior videos, where we have our structure of the home and the pool, where is the water going to go? So we got some drains here, and most importantly is watershed on these patios. So just to take a look, it's a really large scale patio. It's about 2,500 square feet. It's everything I'd ever want to have in a pool deck in a backyard. Truly, it's just absolutely beautiful and it's stunning. Follow me this way. They had limestone coping put in as well. So all this new coping, and then what they did is, this is a gunite pool, so they basically refurbished this pool so it functions as new, updated equipment and what have you. So what a space when you really look at this. Nice space to be able to walk through. They'll be able to play some sports here. It was extended a little bit bigger over here, and also we kind of swung it out over there a little bit more as well, so they had more space. Installed the diving board, so all the hardware we had to take out because that was really an issue. So we poured some footings underneath here, and also for your steps as well. Then we get over to here, and as you can see, this is the fire pit area, fire feature area, and this is really cool. This is beautiful. I love this area. Just wanted to kind of break the space up because it is such a large space. Break this up, not that they can't sit, you know, further back from the fire, but it just gives a really nice geometric flow here. Gives you a lot of space, you know, to be able to sit around this fire. You can have, I would say, you know, a good 12, 14 people around this, just hanging out after, you know, the pool season towards the fall like we're at today. So again, just an honor and a blessing for you know, the work that we've been given and what people trust us to do for them, and trust us to do the right things with the communication, with the actual workmanship out here, the diligence of how fast these guys move, and they all know what they're doing, and then being courteous to all the neighbors and what we're doing in the street from unloading and loading. That's obviously a little bit of an inconvenience, so we try to make that inconvenience and to be as less invasive as possible. So again, when you work with a company like ours at PMS Brick Pavers, we're the guys. You're getting our absolute best from start to finish, and if we fumble, if we lose the ball, what we do with it after that, that's why you would hire a company like us, is we're going to do the right thing no matter what. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos, and keep on watching. Subscribe if you don't haven't already. We do have a lot of viewership with no subscriptions. I don't normally ask for that, but hit the subscribe button so that way we know we're out there. Thank you.